Welcome to this 1988 BMW 325. This one-owner gem has only 61,000 miles and is a great 5-speed manual. We'll tell you more about it after we go for a little ride. This 1988 BMW 325 5-speed was purchased new in San Francisco by the original owner. It has lived its entire life in the Bay Area. With a clean Carfax and wearing its original paint, it truly is a special time capsule. We have all the service records from 1999 onwards, and that includes a timing belt replacement and a clutch change. All the electronics work amazingly well, including the windows and the moonroof. This 325 is live right now on the Bring a Trailer auction site. Go check it out. Thank you.